Alright, it's a 2015 Jeep Compass. We're attempting to replace the PCV valve. Part number V485. Kind of hard to see there. I'm trying to get it to focus.
It's very loose.
So, a little screw there, a little plastic nut. That's what's supposed to come off.
Cooking with gas now.
Yes, sir. This Jeep's got 190,000 miles.
You get a rag?
Yes, sir. I'm pretty sure this has never been replaced. It may have. I don't have anyone else to hold the phone. Basically just gonna wiggle that plastic piece out. There we go. So out with the old and with the new. Now it just screws right back on in. So this engine's been burning about a quart of oil every 1,500 miles. And I know they said you can troubleshoot these things, your PCV valve, if you shake it. And if you don't hear anything rattling, it usually means it's bad. This one's rattling, so maybe this ain't the issue, but this is how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, stay strapped or get clapped.